All right, fellas, hear me out. I promise I made a video of me taking the factory air box out and putting this cold air intake in. Here's the old one. If you ever taken them apart, they're pretty self-explanatory. You got one 5/16 nut right here that holds that band against the throttle body. You'll have another one here for the mass airflow, and then you'll have another one, which on this kit here you had to reuse the coupling to put inside the filter housing itself. You'll have one here, and then that'll essentially be everything you need to do to take the old one out, and then unplugging your sensor, of course. This one here is pretty straightforward as well, and this is a little cheap kit I got off Amazon. I think I paid like 60 bucks for it. But you'll have one band holding the filter on the housing itself. You'll have this one here that clamps the mass airflow to the filter housing. Then you'll have a coupling, which they supply here, that holds this stuff together. Then your inlet tube, of course. This thing needs to be cleaned now. Had to spray some WD-40 on it. Let me tell you, trying to twist this rubber on this aluminum, I guess, I don't know what this stuff is, without any kind of lubricant on it, oh my God, I'm telling you, you're not gonna be able to do it. You're gonna have to put some WD-40 on this thing. But then you got the boot here, the bracket that holds it is pretty self-explanatory as well. You take the bolts out of this, and then there's one on this side, and then one here, which are 10 mils, and then you bolt this bracket back down that holds the intake. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I do apologize because I did record the video. Unfortunately, I don't know why it just disappeared. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better with the cold air intake. It looks like it's more room up here to work. So now if I needed to get down here for any reason, I don't have that tube coming out to about here, and then that chamber on the bottom side there in the way. I mean, I can pretty much see everything. I can see I don't have an oil leak from the front plate or anything's leaking up here, so that's cool. But yeah, got another video coming up after this one. Man, I need to change that CV boot. Oh my God, look at my shock up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is covered in grease. Oh, look at that. I need to change that. That's what I was gonna buy. Actually, I forgot. I need to buy one of them CVs for this passenger side because it is just throwing grease everywhere. Dang. So that's the next thing on the bucket list for this truck. CV for the passenger side. Driver side's fine. It's when I put the Bilstein shocks in on this side, I actually cut it with the shock. So that was my stupidity that did that. But yeah, like I said, I got another video coming up next, and it's going to be related to how the truck sounds as well, which this really isn't any kind of like performance mod, honestly, because I don't believe a cold air intake is going to give you any more HP. It just looks like it will. But yeah, I had the K&N on the Cat Eye, and this kit looks identical to that. If this had a K&N sticker on it, people would probably think it was one. Now the filter is a little bit cheaper than the K&N. K&N filter was like super heavy duty. This one here is pretty lightweight. But I know the K&N was old as well. This one isn't. But let me fire this bad boy up. Give you guys a little sound clip of it. See how she sounds. You can't beat a Cam LS engine. Definitely working. buddy, we're back in business. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the old air box. I don't know if any of you guys are like me, but when I take something off the truck that's like factory, I try to keep it. I like this because, you know, it has the 07 model year, 5.3, all that good stuff. So I'm going to put this in the shed and keep it. That way if I do sell the truck or trade it, I know some people like the OEM look. So that's usually why I keep the aftermarket, or not the aftermarket, but the stuff I take off when I put aftermarket parts on a vehicle. That's why I got so much in that little shed right there as it is now, because I usually keep the stuff that I take off. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this thing, because if you're planning on doing one, I'd honestly go with this kit here. Like I said, it's not expensive and it looks pretty much the same as a K&N. I don't know if you can take the filter off a K&N and put on this thing. I'm not sure. I feel like you might be able to, honestly. You just would have to have the housing, because I'm pretty sure the K&N slides right into a coupling. I'm not 100% sure though, I forgot. But yeah, if you're planning on doing one, I'd definitely say give this one a try. Unless you're building like a show truck, and then of course don't use no Amazon special. But if you're just doing it for, you know, make it look a little different under your hood, definitely give this bad boy a try. Seems like a pretty solid kit. I don't know, I've never used it. We're gonna give it a run now and see how it turns out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Oh, and as you can see, we're back on the 22x12s, and then the old Ram is back on the C25s. Oh no, I think the Ram looks good with those things, man. It looks really good. And this truck gets better gas mileage with these, and that truck gets better gas mileage with those, which I don't understand, because these rims are way lighter than those. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna run the wides on the GMC for a little bit. But yeah, like I said, after this video, I got another one that's probably gonna be, I don't know, more anticipated than this one, because I felt like I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's It's exhaust related. Give you guys a little sneak peek of what we got. Hey, buddy. That's gonna be going on this thing here shortly, right after this video. So yeah, stay tuned. Like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming for this thing. Gotta do that CV axle now. I keep on putting it off. I don't know why. I get on Amazon just about every day, so I need to go ahead and order. I might just do both of them while I'm at it. Be done with it. That way that grease can take a hike, because I'm tired of cleaning that shock off every 3 or 4 days. Well, not really, because I only drive this thing on the weekend, so I'm lying. Every other weekend probably. When I wash this thing, I got to get on there and scrub the Bilstein shock, because I don't want to ruin it from that grease sitting on it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. I know we're closing in on 2K subs. So yeah, go and hit that subscribe button, that like button, and stay tuned, because we got a lot more stuff coming for this thing. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.